Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. It's your favorite YouTuber Tony here. Today I'm doing another unboxing of a very interesting device and very cheap, guys, which is a very rare thing on my channel. I usually review X flagships, but with this one we have a special case over here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the ZTE Nubia Music phone. Now, the box is absolutely amazing from what I can see over here, guys, and I couldn't really say no to the pricing of this phone, guys. £73 from a company called Tech In. I checked the company and it had pretty much terrible reviews on the on the review websites, but for that price I decided to pull the trigger, and the phone arrived safely, and we'll see if there's a brick inside or an actual phone in a second. But first, what we're dealing with over here, guys, let's have a look at the side of the box and see what makes this phone special. Now we have 600% volume. I guess they're referring to the massive speaker at the back of the device. Now 600%, I'm not sure if that's true, most probably not. Dual 3.5mm earphone jacks. Now, how many phones do you know with dual 3.5mm headphone jacks? Yeah, I'm waiting. Take your time. Google it. There's only two phones on the market that ever had this 3.5mm jack, the Moon Drop or something like that. Well, essentially a Japanese smartphone, and the other one was the Marshall London, guys. Have a look at that. 12 dual 3.5mm jacks with an amplifier or otherwise internal DAC. And this phone was quite expensive back in the day, guys, and the the Japanese phone is quite expensive as well, but for 73 or 76 pounds you cannot go wrong over here. Of course, they forgot to put the specifications on the box, so that's why after some editing magic over here, you can see that we're dealing with 6.6 inch 720p screen. A little bit unfortunate, but there we go. The processor is Uni SoC SC9863A. I called it the Unisoc, which reminds me of that rather than actual CPU inside, but nevertheless 4 gigabytes of RAM, 5000 milliamp hours of battery with 10-watt charging, which means slow charging, but with 720p and 5000 milliamp hours of battery, guys, I'm expecting miracles over here. The LCD screen is 90 Hz at least, so that should compensate with the performance a little bit. 128 gigs of storage with micro SD card, guys. 50 megapixel main camera and just 5 megapixel selfie camera, which, forget about selfies, I'm telling you from now, it is just for videos, guys. And what else? Well, at least we have a USB-C and of course FM radio. So pretty much a basic device with amazing battery life, apparently amazing speakers, and let's have a look, guys, and let's have a look. And very interesting design. Now they have a yellow one, which I'm really not interested in, to be honest with you. This is the color that I was interested in. You have a look in a second, but kudos to Tech In for sending one of those UK adapters. Usually if you buy something from, let's say, China, you get one of these adapters, which works fine, but it's not very impressive. But have a look, guys, they went above and beyond and included this rather nice adapter over here. Well, how nice it is, God knows, but it's nicer than this one, that is for sure. So let's have a look what's inside the box of a 73-pound phone, guys. Now at the UK market you have some Xiaomi's, you have some well, I'm really not sure what else do we have, maybe a ZTE, another ZTE, but for 76 pounds we don't have many phones, guys. So my expectations are pretty low, to be honest with you. So anything would be nice. Actually, we have check this out, guys. We have a screen protector and we have a nice silicone case over here, which I'm going to apply straight away pretty much. Let's see what else do we have. This is the phone itself, guys. I'm just going to leave it on the side for now and see what's inside in the rest of the box. Do we have any surprises? This is the charge. Look how Look how small this charger is, guys. 10-watt charger. Oh my god, it's so tiny compared to the bricks nowadays. And we check this out. We have two earpieces over here, and we have the cable. Now this is a nice package, guys. You have the case. You have. I like it. I like it. I like what I see. And this is the phone itself. Let's have a look, guys. Oh my god, this is actually quite nice. Let's see if I can take it off from here without damaging the wrapper. There we go. There we go. I managed. And guys, this is a very nice. Look how nice it is. I mean, come on. I think this is glass. I think this is glass, to be honest with you. And have a look at the massive speaker over here, guys. I was about to say this is a button, but it actually isn't. But check this out, this grill, guys. AI dual camera. Okay, whatever. But yeah. And let me see. Is that metal or is plastic? Let me see. I think it's plastic, but it's made to look like metal. The Nubia distinctive power button is just on the right place over here, guys. Volume buttons, they're made of plastic, and the dual 3.5mm jack headphone. Okay, headphone, whatever. But yeah, USB Type-C and the microphone over here, and of course no screen protector out of the box. I think it has the teardrop notch, and the speaker is hidden over here in the gap, guys. Really clever design. Nubia, be yourself. And I really like it, guys. This absolutely feels amazing. It doesn't feel like a 70-pound phone. Let's have a look. What do we have? Immersive 3D audio. Now, I'm gonna do a quick setup. I'm gonna fire one of the royalty-free, songs of YouTube, and we're gonna see, is it that powerful? But guys, amazing value for money. Indeed, we're gonna wait for the Unisoc, for the Uni SoC to fire up this phone. We're gonna slap the case. In the meantime, these are my favorite cases nowadays, by the way. Just a plain silicone case, guys. There we go. It gets the job done. Look how beautiful this phone is. I can't really believe that, guys. Okay, let me just set this phone very quickly, guys. We're going to skip through the process pretty much, and yeah, we're gonna set up offline. I'm gonna set up the fingerprint and everything later on. And the screen, although 720p, actually it doesn't look that bad, to be honest with you. It doesn't really look like a 720p screen. It definitely looks like 1080p screen for me. Help. No, I'm not gonna help. I think I press help. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna skip that. Skip anyway. Okay. And we are pretty much in, guys. And check this out. It's not actually a teardrop notch. It's actually a punch hole, which I'm very happy with. Now, I've been into ZTE devices as of recently. I'm currently testing the cheap gaming phone, the Neo 5G. It's not the best phone in the world, but definitely excellent value for money. But this one is even better. And I have just recently acquired and did the unboxing of the Z60S Pro. I can't really say much, but it's a proper flagship, half the price pretty much, guys. And check this out. Check this out, guys. Actually, it's not that bad. The screen is not that bad. Now, the Uni SoC, well, it's pretty sluggish, to be honest with you. I'm filming in 4K 60 FPS. I just swiped and I just swiped the notification shade, and oh my god, I mean, that is painfully slow, guys. Yes, it is pretty bad, actually. So RAM 8 plus, 4 plus 4. So yeah, we're gonna get that. We're gonna get some basic tasks done. 128 gigs of storage, not the best, but not too bad. But oh my god, this is very laggy. I'm not used to this, guys. I'm honestly don't know whether I'm gonna be able to use this on a daily basis. I really didn't expect that to be that bad. But yeah, I'm about to test the headphone jacks. I'm really not sure, what to expect. I don't expect miracles, but at least you have two of them. And let me have a look if I can pull up YouTube very quickly and put some royalty-free music just to test the speaker in the meantime. Okay, guys, just give me 1 second to connect the internet and I'll come back to you in a second. To keep me from the dark, I'm looking for a fire star. Okay, guys, so that was the speaker. I'm not sure how my microphone picked it up, but what I will say is it is very, very loud indeed. However, it's quite teeny and, there's no bass whatsoever, pretty much. So I wouldn't say that, that's a proper, let's say, music phone or anything like that, but it's definitely louder than pretty much anything else. So if you, let's say, you work in an environment where it is loud and you are actually allowed to play the music, well, actually that might be quite handy, guys. So overall I really like what I see. Again, think about price, 73 pounds. But yeah, I expect my review really soon on the channel. In the meantime, subscribe to Volokin Project and check out my other videos. I have some sorts of, weird phones and of course phone stories, guys, older phones from the past, which we all used to enjoy back in the day. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Adios.